Hello, my name is Rohit Kumar Ray and I'm basically from Kolkata, and I have passed B.tech from Omdayal Group of Institution in 2022 in electrical engineering with an aggregate of 80%, and I have joined QSpiders Kolkata in the month of March 2023. A friend of mine has suggested me about this institute, and because of my financial condition I can't able to go to the Bangalore. That's why I have joined QSpiders Kolkata, and I would like to thank to Mr. SKR sir, Sachin sir, Vishwanath sir, Narashima sir, Sachin sir, Hemant sir, and all the HRs and all the counselor for their continuously support. And because of the presentation and the mock interviews, I got placed in one of the most reputed company with an package of more than 3 LPA. So I would like to thank to Mr. SKR sir. Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. Because of you, I got placed in one of the most reputed company. I would also like to thank to QSpiders Kolkata for their help. Thank you QSpiders Kolkata and SKR sir. Thank you.